Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. This video reflects my personal experience with the platform. In this video, we're exploring MyTaxPrepOffice.com, a website dedicated to tax preparation services. While the site's name suggests a focus on tax professionals, it appears to offer resources and tools for individuals as well. Navigating to MyTaxPrepOffice.com, you'll likely find a clean and straightforward interface. It's crucial to thoroughly investigate any online tax service before entrusting them with your sensitive financial information. Therefore, I recommend carefully reviewing their privacy policy, security measures, and any available testimonials or user reviews. Look for clear explanations of their services, pricing structures, and any associated fees. Consider whether their offerings align with your specific tax needs, whether you're an individual filer or a business owner. Don't hesitate to reach out to their customer support if you have questions or require clarification on any aspect of their service. It's always wise to compare MyTaxPrepOffice.com with other similar platforms to ensure you're getting the best possible value and service. Pay close attention to the site's features, such as the availability of online filing, support for various tax forms and schedules, and any integrated tax calculators or planning tools. Finally, remember that tax laws and regulations can be complex and are subject to change. While online tools can be incredibly helpful, consulting with a qualified tax advisor is always a good idea, especially for complex tax situations. Remember to double-check all information entered and filed to ensure accuracy and avoid potential issues with the IRS. Choosing the right tax preparation service can save you time, money, and stress. So, take your time, do your research, and select the option that best suits your individual requirements.